I just put this tarp up here for... Wow, look at that. That's a real cloud on a dark blue sky. Amazing, isn't it? Could you imagine if it was like this, I don't know, 100 days in a row, like all summer, like it used to be every year around here? No bull. Absolutely true. Low, big, puffy, beautiful clouds if there were clouds, and dark blue sky and super clean air. That's what I grew up on. Sorry kids, it looks like you're screwed. But back to the message at hand, this kind of brings me to this. Get out here, fly. The mud tub. There's the mud. So, this camera might die, so I'm going to use it up until, and then I'll switch to another one. But I noticed this that I wrote on here quite a while ago when I used this tarp to put up here. It says the atmosphere is fluid, made of liquids, gases, as well as layers of electrical charge, vertically and magnetic waves horizontally, both following lines of flux beginning and ending at the right there at the something singularity. Okay, yeah, ending at the singularity point in the center. There's a little diagram of a dual torus. That line across the middle is where everything on Earth is, the oceans, the land, everything flowing out magnetically. The electrons are negatively charged, they say, that make up, particles that make molecules, and so they have mass, or kind of mass, whatever you want to call mass. They potentially have mass, and that's why they're at the bottom down there, and the electrical is the top, and the electrical component goes this way, and the magnetic goes this way, and that's why when a radio wave goes through the air and going around in circles, when it goes up, it's electric, and when it goes sideways, it's magnetic, and it changes to electric, and it's magnetic, and it's electric, and then it's magnetic. That's how a wave moves. So anyway, I just thought that was interesting. Okay, the torus field. It ties in somehow. Each one of us has one of those around our body, I think, as well. And that's the scale. We've got the size of the world, and then we've got the size of a living body. And then we've got the size of the molecule that makes up the living body. And each one has its torus field. Those are the three scales. That's my three scale theory. There it is. Well, here it goes. Let's see. No battery light yet, so that's good. I let this go all night. The last few times I've got in it, it wasn't hot enough. I put in the mud and then it cooled it down, and and the way I put my hand in there, it's hotter than hell. But anyway, yeah, so I'll be back. I've got to, I was sifting out some of this mud here to make sure I get some more rocks and grasses out of it. This is actually clay mud, which is real sticky, which I might use around my ears and my eyes and back of my neck and shoulders. This stuff really draws out really good. It's amazingly exfoliating. Okay, anyway. Okay, I'll be back. Wait, is that it? Is that it for now? It's still rolling. There's the heating element I use to heat the water. It's a wall heater element. I just drop it onto that piece of wood that was there, you saw, and let it hang in there. And it's insulated around the tub, and this tub is like a trough you can get at those ranch stores. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I've got my towel, and sift my mud, and I'll be back.